Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kyle with HOGWORKZ. Today we're going to discuss our oil cooler replacement covers for 17 to current Harley Touring motorcycles. We offer these in a variety of OEM replacement colors, and this is a direct bolt-on part that's going to install in minutes. Let's jump on into the installation with Alex.
Alright guys, the installation on this is pretty easy. The OEM, on the back side there's two rubber grommets on the lower part. What you want to do is go ahead and pop those off. Alright, so after you got the grommets out, you go ahead and just pop this out. You want to save the rubber grommets, and once you put this back in, you'll replace them on the back side just like OEM. Start with the top. And then take your grommet and push it on the back side of the pin. And it's easy as that.